Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today I have another headband wig, which you guys already know how I feel about headband wigs. I love them. So I partnered with Niawigs to bring you guys another beautiful unit. I have tried out so many units that you guys can see just the versatility, also different styles, textures, wherever you name it, you guys can see it all on my channel. So please go and check out those videos as well. But today I'm so excited that I chose this black straight one so you guys can see, and we're going to manipulate and style it, and I'm going to show you guys some different ways I'm going to be wearing it. Okay, so let's get into this packaging. It is so pretty, you guys. I love when hair comes in beautiful packaging. It just makes it all more exciting. I don't know about you guys, but I will be saving my boxes that come in beautiful boxes like this, and I think it's important to recycle. So please recycle. If you don't, you should get into it. It's healthy for the earth, you guys. Hello. All right, so I'm not gonna really try to take up too much time today. I really wanted to bring you guys this beautiful unit. Like I said, I'm working with this company, so I already know what the hair looks like. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to style and also all the beautiful things that comes inside this package. Okay, so first we're gonna unbox. And what do we get? We have so many headbands. Actually, I have a whole bunch here. I'm going to show you guys all of them. So you get these cute little packages, and this is the first one. This kind of looks, this is like a headband. This is so cute, like a bandana. This is cute. Also, we have this color. This is a cute one. We have a blue. I feel like all these colors can go with literally every outfit, so that's perfect. And we have this one. I took this one out, so that's, oops, that's pretty. And then we have a black one, which that's gonna look perfect with my outfit today. And then we have some really cute ones that will look so cute with my workout clothes. Like I have some workout pants like these, so that's gonna be perfect. And then I have this one that is so cute. I love the tie-dye. And then we have like this fall one. This is so pretty, and they all pretty much wrap in the front, so kind of like traditionally like how all the headbands come. And the best part is this wig right here. So it comes in this beautiful packaging, you guys, and I love it. This drawstring bag is really cute. Okay, so, and it's good to keep your wigs in these kind of bags too, because it's a silk texture. You want to be able to keep your wigs nice and soft, all right? You're going to get all the information right here. It's a headband wig. It's a natural black color and 16 inches. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm going to do the unboxing. Ooh, okay. Take it out. Yes, sis. This is freaking pretty. Oh my god, it looks longer than 16 inches. I don't know because it's not on my head, but it's really, really pretty. I'm really liking these headband wigs, y'all. Like, I literally just do my makeup, slap on an outfit, and I put this headband wig on, and it's like, it's on from there. So, period. I feel weird saying that because everybody is like, period, but I don't really do that, so, but I wanted to do it for the video. But anyways, here is the hair, guys. So pretty. So I'm gonna put it on. It has everything, like the combs in the inside, a breathable cap. It has the straps in the back, and it has the band in the front. I'm gonna adjust the wig to fit my head size, so I always like to just put the adjustable straps in the middle section in the back. And that's pretty much how I do it, so that it could fit a little tighter. And I'm gonna unbuckle and strap this, and then I'm gonna put the wig on, and then we are going to style it, and we're gonna go, because that's all you do, style and go. All right, so I got my ball cap on, which you want to put one of these on because you do not want to snatch those edges, girl. You want to keep them nice and beautiful. So make sure you have one of these on, or any wig cap underneath, so that you can preserve your edges and your hair, because it does have combs in it, and you want to just, you know, you want to save your hair, so do that. All right, so I'm gonna put the headband wig on, and you just scoop it up, put it on like so. Woo! All right. We are in business. I don't have to really use the combs because it's already very secure. And I'm just gonna strap it in the back. Okay, guys. Put my ears out. Strap it. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my God, you guys, it looks like a lace front without the lace. And this hair is really good quality. Like, I'm barely getting any shedding. It's not shedding like that. I'm not really getting shedding. And it's just beautiful all around. So this is how the hair looks, you guys. I'm gonna turn around so you can see the back. And then we are going to style, okay? So next is styling. And I'm thinking of wearing it like a flipped up. Well, it's kind of long for a flip up, so no, not a flip up. I'm gonna curl it. So I wanna wear it straight and I wanna curl it. And then the other style, I'm gonna think about how I wanna do it. Kind of might do something a little different than what I've done in the past. So stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna style it. But my first impression straight out the package, you guys, I opened it in front of your eyes. I love this hair. I think it's good quality. This company actually does have really good quality hair, so I knew it would be amazing. And you would not go wrong because even though it's a headband wig and it's almost like the same idea as a hat wig, it's great quality. So you're gonna invest in something that's gonna be very natural looking and also long lasting. So you wanna invest in good hair, and that's what this is. So like I said, I will be linking that description. I mean yeah. Okay, so like I said, I will be linking all the information down below to this particular unit and also to their website, so you guys can, you know, scroll around and see what other options they have. But if you buy anything from there, please use a discount code because you will be able to get money off, okay? Okay, we all love to save money. I know that's right. Okay, so let me style this. I'm gonna quit playing in it. I'm styling it, and then we're gonna get to some looks, okay? Okay, so we have all these headbands. I'm gonna go with, I have so many options. This is so cute, you guys. I really like this. I think I'm gonna go with this one, put this one on, and I'm gonna pick a few because I wanna do some different looks. I think I'm gonna wear this white one right here, and I might do this black one. Okay, so I just put a little bit of bio silk and then I'm going to straighten the hair. that's ones down. I'm gonna put my headband on so you guys can see. Okay, beautiful. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. As always, it's a pleasure. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.